In this video I will show how to share any image or text, or both together to WhatsApp, email, Instagram, etc. I will do this in very easy way, and also I will share my code with you, so please subscribe to my channel. Here I can pick image by clicking on this add button, and here I can type any text if I want. This text is completely optional. By clicking share button I can share my image and text with the help of any of this option. Now I will create one application in my VS Code. To create a basic application, just run flutter create command along with your app name. Now I will add some dependencies from pub.dev website. Just follow the steps and don't skip the video. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't worry, I will explain each dependency. Share plus dependency plugin help us to share files or text. This dependency is compatible with both Android and iOS mobile platforms. Image Picker is dependency plugin for iOS and Android for picking images from the image library and taking new pictures with the camera. Now without wasting time, I will copy the code from my GitHub repository. Now I will check my code is running or not. To run this application, just type flutter run command in terminal. And subscribe to my channel. Now as you can see, I am clicking on share button, nothing is happening, because there is no image or no text to share. So now I will try to share only text. And finally I will try to share text and image both together. Now I will try to share image. So now everything is working fine. Please subscribe to my channel, this will help my channel to grow more. Thank you.